Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great and very fantastic. So today I want to share about the weather in my area and also share very important things, which is practice speaking English. So let's start the video. You know, today's weather is very hot, but the good news is in my area in Chittagong, in the afternoon it rained here. So after rain, the weather is so cold. Though the rain isn't very heavy, but it's came to us like a gift because today's weather is very hot. Especially those who are working outside, they feel very tired because of this hot weather. And if it is rain or not, my speaking practice in English isn't tough because I believe that if I don't practice English every day, I will lose my consistency, I will lose my fluency. So that's why I try my best to practice English every day because consistency is very important if you want to learn English. If you want to be a fluent speaker in English, you must practice every day. You have to follow this routine. So that's the way you will be able to speak in English, right? So if you follow this, after few days, after 1 month or 2 months, you will see your improvements. So just practice every day, practice every day, practice every day. It improves your fluency, it improves your pronunciation, right? So just do it. That's the way I practice regularly, and I feel that after a few days I feel that my pronunciation so much improved. So just do that, follow that, and one day you will also be able to speak in English. Anything you can speak in English. Just practice every day. So I hope this video is very important for those who want to speak in English. And if you like this video, please like, comment and share. Assalamu alaikum.